title, I'm opening my fireman puppet. I am super excited for this one because I've been waiting for a long time for this puppet. So yeah, so I'll be opening it and I'll be trying to talk in that voice. So let's get it open somewhere. Okay. Again, I'm not trying to cut open the puppet, so I think that's good enough. Holy crap, guys. That is cool. So this is what it looks like. It has a helmet, has everything. So let's get this open. Do you even know how to talk as a fireman? No. Okay. So let's get this. So we have this. Let's do this. So he is Chief Walter Blaze, firefighter, scratches in the game. Despite severe allergies to cats and remarkable fear of heights, Walter holds the record for most kittens rescued from a tree. And has collected all of us, so dinos, people, and animals. So they have, I don't know if they have a thing on there, but so let's get that off. And so leave the hat, which I like about this. So
Why you missed this?
yeah, I don't need that. So guys, I'll put this on. So it's around his hand for the packaging. Let's get that. So like that. He like I don't know. Who do I like better? This one or the Chef Pee Pee puppet? Oh my god, what happened? I can't do the voice. I'm so bad. But yeah. So I'll be doing a video with this when Grant comes here, so we can get him to call the police. Not the police, the fireman, the firefighter. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos I make, and my next video will be the Chef PP video and Junior Get Lost. So look forward to that. And fireman puppet, you can let out. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, what happened?